Welcome back to the Nikit Engineers channel. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of hydraulic cylinder bracket welding. Here, our advanced robotic systems take over, ensuring each weld is flawless and consistent. Watch as our welding torch moves with pinpoint accuracy, laying down perfect beads every time. This level of precision not only improves the quality but also boosts productivity, making sure each hydraulic cylinder bracket is built to last. You can see the intense focus on every detail, from the initial setup to the final weld. Our robotic solutions eliminate human error, offering unmatched reliability and efficiency. This is the future of welding: automated, precise, and incredibly efficient. At Nikit Engineers, we're dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with welding automation. If you're as fascinated by this technology as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.